Good afternoon. My name is Tina Gote, and I am submitting my portfolio defense, reviewing FELS Standard 2 for education leadership. Effective educational leaders know that lasting change begins with a shared vision and clear values. During my internship, I worked with our school advisory council and leadership team to align our school improvement plan to both our mission and DODEA's academic and equity priorities. We hosted family forums, student listening circles, and staff discussions to ensure all voices were included in shaping this vision. We shared our values and progress updates through the newsletters, SAC meetings, and on the school website. This consistent collaboration and communication helps to build shared ownership of our school's goals and deepens our commitment to student success and well-being. FELS Standard 2, Vision and Mission, states effective educational leaders collaborate with parents, students, and other stakeholders to develop, communicate, and enact shared vision, mission, and core values to promote the academic success and well-being of students. The way that we did it, just to reiterate, collaboration is the key. We collaborated to improve the school improvement plan. The stakeholders included teachers, parents, students. We gather input and communicate our plans. Ensure the alignment to the school and district initiatives concerning equity, safety, and academic excellence. Recommended student improvement plan goals, supporting vigorous instruction and student success. Developing a strategic plan that includes actionable steps that included staff training, student inclusion programs, and family outreach. We put systems into place to progress monitor, collect data from surveys, and we would have to reevaluate and adjust as needed to ensure continuous improvement. So this plan, or the strategic plan, it goes over the course of several years, not just 1 year's goal. So we revise it each year. To plan for change, it should be data-driven instruction and staff engagement is the focus for administrators. Focus groups included the collaboration analysis of recent academic and climate data, together identifying the achievement gaps and the concerns. We use the findings to shape professional development and set targeted goals with the school improvement plan, which is delivered throughout the quarters as professional learning strategies. To gain staff buy-in, it involves teachers being involved in the data review process and goal setting. So it's actually an advisory team of professionals, leaders of the departments, and we get together and we analyze information and talk about how we can invoke the specific changes that we want to make, as well as a weekly collaboration where grade levels meet and they collaborate on the strategic plan and setting goals and ensuring that they're implemented with instructional supports. And it involves teachers in the data reviews and the tracking with the SIP goals. So implementation and monitoring is also important in order to ensure that it all connects back to the vision and mission, and it's used daily in instructional practices. And we promote that the idea of continuous improvement is embedded into our systems. When it comes, this is one of the meetings that we participated in, that I observed. So administrators also will observe instructional practices to support professional development that is responsive to the data findings. They demonstrate ethical leadership as described in FELS Standard 1, model and participate in family engagement events, and observe all formats of communication, establishing a clear message through meetings, newsletters, communication boards, and try to elevate student and parent voice through listening sessions. So I've had the opportunity to participate in Coffee with the Principal, which happens once a month, and to hear the voice of the parents. We collectively always just take a random student and have information sessions to seek improvement ideas quarterly. And then we have the goal monitoring. With every quarter, we reevaluate how are we aligning with our long-term goals. So that concludes my presentation, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.